Good morning children. Welcome back to the English class. Today we are going to discuss about the continue part of the lesson expert detectives. Here in this lesson both Maya and Nishad, brother and sister, they are very curious about to know the information about the man Mr. Nath who was his neighbor. So next in the page number 87, perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out. I suggested. Seven looked unsure. On the Monday following Mamma's birthday, Seven went alone with her to the clinic at Giorgium as I was spending the evening with a school friend. When they returned, Nishad told me he had been see Mr. Nath and I felt most annoyed that I had not been there. Seven had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gone appearance and was sure that he was starving. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." The man had opened it and asked him, "Lost another marble?" He had obviously recognized my brother. "No," said Nishad. He had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. "Did you get a chance to peek into the trunk, Seven?" I asked. Nishad looked disappointed. "He didn't even ask me in," he said. Then he smiled, "But I did find out something, Maya. I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and talked to him." "Good for you, Mr. Detective," I said, patting him on the back. "I hope you questioned him properly." So here in this lesson, Maya tell to Seven means Nishad, perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out. So his house had to be set for police force, so that wise he had a mark in his face. So one following day, Nishad and Maya's mother birthday is there. Then Nishad went alone with her clinic. Then Maya spent the whole day with her school friends. Okay, so when they returned, when both Nishad and her mother returned, Nishad told Maya, I had been seeing the Mr. Nath. Okay, so he see the Mr. Nath, and then I felt most annoyed that I had not been there. So Maya didn't trust the words of Nishad because she is not there in the clinic. So she feels very irritated because she is not been there. Then why could she believe that what Nishad said? Next, Seven had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance and was sure that he was starving. So here Nishad quite upset because he thinks that Mr. Nath appearances means he is a thin, he is a sick. So he is sure that he was a starving, means he was not able to eat anything. So he had been sick person. Next, he told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, "So open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." So one evening, Nishad knocked the door of Mr. Nath and then said to him, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." The man had opened it and asked him, "Lost another marble?" So once Nishad visited the house of Mr. Nath, because he lost the marble, he want to get it. But another second time, Mr. Nath think that again he also lost the marble, then he want to get it from my room. So he asked, "You lost another marble." Next, he had obviously recognized my brother. So here Maya told to readers, Mr. Nath would obviously means definitely he would recognize his brother Nishad because once he visit his house to collect the marble. So in the second time he obviously recognized him. He was Nishad. Then, "No," said Nishad. He had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. So the Nishad replied, "No, I don't lost any marble." Then the man taken the hands of Nishad and then give a bar of chocolate to him. Then Maya asked, did you get a chance to peek into the trunk 7? I asked. Here Maya asked, did you get a chance to see into the trunk in his room? So are you able to see the trunk? So what things are in the trunk? But Nishad looked disappointed. He didn't even ask me in. So he said to Maya, Mr. Nath would invite me to come in the house. Mr. Nath would invite the Nishad to come in the house. So Nishad looked disappointed. Then he said, I did find out something, Maya. So he said to Maya, he is not invite me to come in the house, but I invent something. I find out something about his information. So I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and talked to him. So in the last class we know that every day Ramesh bring the meals for Mr. Nath. Okay, then he went to down to meet the Nishad went to down to meet the Ramesh who works restaurant. Then he talked to him. Then Maya told, good for you, Mr. Detective. I said, patting him on the back, I hope you questioned him properly. So here Maya appreciate Nishad, good for you. She also named Nishad has Mr. Detective, means he met the Ramesh, then he asked something. She thinks that. So that wise she named the Nishad has Mr. Detective. Then she pat him on the back. Then she told, I hope you questioned him properly. Then she hoped Nishad would question the Ramesh, means he talked with Ramesh as properly, then he could able to get the all information about Mr. Nath. So what the information collected by the Nishad we'll see in the next video, children. I will send you the questions in the description box. You have to answer the questions and then you have to write the answer for those questions in your homework book. Thank you, children.